Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I made this rosemary oil, which also contains mint leaf. The ingredients I'll be using are mint leaf, rosemary, oil. I chose to use almond oil, but you can use any oil you want. So I grounded 2 spoons of rosemary and 2 spoons of mint leaf. Grounded it, not really smooth. Then I added my pure almond oil. I didn't use the whole bottle, which was 200 ml, so just added it till I felt like it was enough. I am using the double boiler method to make this oil, and this simply involves me boiling a little quantity of water in a pot, then putting the bowl or the plate which contains the oil into the boiling water and let the ingredients infuse into the oil. So I did this on low heat, and I was stirring it as it was boiling. I did this for like 20 minutes. After the 20 minutes, I removed the plate from the boiling water and I let it cool. Then I filtered the rosemary and mint leaf residue and I got my oil. This is the extracted oil. You can see that it's the rosemary and the mint leaf had been infused into the oil, which gave it that